Hey guys, welcome to this edition of Project 2J. My name's Daryl Sheether, and if you haven't yet, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button on the way out and like our videos, because it really helps the channel out no end. Today we're dealing with USB cables. They're the bane of my existence, getting enough charging points for them, because it's like everything needs a USB charge. And in an aging vehicle like what we've got a TJ, you generally have cigarette lighter sockets, or there's a power socket, which you've probably got an adapter with a couple of USB points on, and I just find they don't work well. Now, we've already replaced the cigarette lighter with a USB and HDMI connector that connects to the Alpine system in the car. However, whilst it does charge, if I do charge something other than my phone in that, I then lose Apple CarPlay capabilities in the car, which is a nuisance when you're going on a trip and your passenger wants to charge their phone. So today we're replacing the power outlet with a double 4.2 amp USB connector. Make sure you get the 4.2 amp version because you don't want to throw the thing in there and not be able to charge your tablets or whatever. So this should be a job that anyone can do. It'll really tidy up the interior of your TJ and just make life a whole lot more livable. So I've already stripped the Alpine screen off the dash. I've taken off the old nav unit off the top of the dash. So we're back to what is a basic TJ fascia. That should make it a whole lot easier if you guys are wanting to do this job. So as I said, I've pulled off the GPS and I've pulled the screen off the Alpine unit. So it should be what a standard Wrangler is. So we're going to pull off this center binnacle from the bottom, and it just unclips. And then this switch unit here, this fascia panel, unscrews with 4 screws. That will then come apart, and we push down on the tongue of the electrical connector and wiggle it out. Now this was a little bit difficult to take out. This has 2 snap-in or press-in pins on each side. However, the inside slid out, and then I was able to take the outer out. Now once we've got that out, we're left with the hole for the unit. However, it's slightly undersized. Now this is where one of these stepper drills really comes in handy, because we can just take it out to the next size and we can test this. No, we still need to come out slightly bigger. Now with this, I'm not going to put on the rubber cover because I think it's a nuisance to lift up all the time. And with that fitted, we just do up the back of it. Now we've got a positive and negative here that went to that power output. We're going to snip those off. Now on the back of the unit they've got a positive and negative, so we're just going to replicate that. We'll crimp these. attach the power to the positive side and the negative to the negative side. And we're ready to screw all this back in. Grab your fascia panel and click it all in. So that's all installed now. You can see that we get a voltage meter on it now, and if we connect up a USB device, you can see the drain on it, and we're now charging an iPad. So we've now got 3 USB devices in the cockpit. As I've said, this is for my Apple CarPlay, but that also does charge my phone. So we've got 2 free devices now, which is very good. And best of all, it fits into the car like an OEM device should. So I think you guys will agree that's a mod that we can all get something out of. I hope you've enjoyed that today. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.